Hello everyone, welcome to another video of React.js 19 tutorial series. In this video, we will learn what if we directly update the React state variables value. So in the previous video, we created a toggle effect by using the Usestate hook, and let's see what if I directly go ahead and change the state value. So instead of using the setter method, I am directly going to update the state value. So I have commented out the line and I'll update the value, the state value like this. But now we will get some different error because of the const keyword which we are using here. Just to confirm it, let me go to console and see. So it should say that you cannot modify a constant variable. So first thing we have to change it to let, so that we can do a direct modifications to the variables. But if I click on the button again, we can see there is no toggle effect. So why this is happening? So just to confirm whether these states are getting updated properly or not, let me just console log the updated state. So it should print the updated state right here. Click of the button, the states are getting updated, but still there is no change in the UI. So why is this happening? This is because when we update the state value directly by assigning like this, JSX will not get re-render. This JSX will get re-render only if the state values are getting updated by using the setter method. So I hope this is now clear that this JSX will re-render or recalculate itself only if we use the setter method to update the state values. I am going to undo the changes. Now I am using the correct way of updating the state variables, and toggle effect is working as expected. So in the upcoming videos, we are going to learn few more React.js concepts. Till then, take care.